Assalamualaikum dear students, welcome to MLT DEC0DE. This is the second lecture of the Virology playlist and the topic is the DNA Viruses Mnemonics. So you know that DNA have many viruses families. So like in the RNA viruses we study the polarities, negative polarity, positive polarity. So in case of the DNA viruses there is no such kind of classification of the negative polarity virus and the positive polarity virus. So we will discuss in the DNA the family, envelope and the symmetry, right? So our imaging mnemonic for the DNA viruses, the first one is do adeno do adeno papa. It's something funny mnemonic. Do adeno papa has do adeno papa has largest chicken. Do adeno papa has largest chicken. Next is with polio. So adeno papa has a largest chicken and the chicken is infected with polio virus. So sad. So let's see how to decode these mnemonics. So the first one is from the do. From the do you will remember DNA viruses, right? These all are the DNA viruses we are talking about. From the adeno you remember adenovirus, right? Adenovirus family. From the PA you will remember papilloma virus, right? From the next PA you will remember parvovirus. This is the parvovirus. So if you forget that from one PA there is a parvovirus and from the next PA what is the name, so simple is take two P and A from this and the next P from this, PAP. So this is PAP. You will remember papilloma virus and the second is the parvovirus. The next is from the has you will remember herpes virus, herpes viruses family. From the next you will remember hep dana virus family. So if you remove the R, what is remain? HEP. You will write HEP and from the HEP what you will remember? HEP hepatitis. So hepdana viruses which species have hepatitis B. So this is the family which have hepatitis B. From HEP you will remember this is a hepatitis, right? So this is also a one. So the next is the largest chicken. From the largest chicken you will remember, you know that in the children there is a disease called chicken pox, right? And from chicken pox you will just write their pox. So this is the pox viruses, but I will write their largest. What do you mean by largest? Because pox viruses are the largest viruses. These families the largest family in the viruses which have round about 250 to 400 size. This is the largest size. And the next is the polio. From the polio you will remember polyoma virus. Just remember this is the mnemonic. Polyoma virus is a family. Polyoma don't cause polio. Polio is caused by something other viruses which are the RNA viruses, but there we talk about the DNA. It is just a mnemonic to remember. From the polio you will get in the mind polyoma. Polio is caused by RNA viruses, but these are the polyoma and this is the DNA viruses, right? So and one other thing is pox virus, which is a family. Do not count chicken pox. It is just a mnemonic, right? Chicken pox is caused by herpes virus family. The varicella zoster family. Varicella zoster virus cause chicken pox. So it is just a mnemonic. Chicken pox from the pox of the chicken. Chicken pox, you remember, pox virus, largest chicken. Pox is the largest virus. So dear student, this is the very simple mnemonic. Do adenopapa has largest chicken. So which are the envelope and which are the non-envelope? You will remember the first three viruses are non-envelope. They have no envelope, no envelope, and no envelope, right? And the largest and the last one also do not have envelope, and the left of the three viruses, they have envelope. Yes, and this is also yes, and the pox virus also has envelope. And what is the symmetry? Remember that in the DNA viruses, all the viruses have icosahedral symmetry, right? All the viruses here are icosahedral symmetry, but the one virus, which is the pox virus is the largest virus and it has a complex symmetry. So we do not include pox virus icosahedral. This is the largest virus and this virus has a most complicated structure symmetry, right? So these are the very simple mnemonic of the DNA viruses. I hope you will remember and you will get benefit from them. Please like and subscribe our video. Thank you dear students. Allah Hafiz.